Welcome to this video discussing the dangers of AI in the wrong hands. AI refers to computer systems that can perform human-like tasks. While AI has benefits, misuse can have serious consequences in areas such as cyberattacks, disinformation campaigns, and autonomous weapons. We'll also cover the challenges of regulating AI and the need for accountability and transparency. By the end, you'll understand the importance of addressing the potential dangers of AI. The threat of cyberattacks is a major concern with AI in the wrong hands. AI-powered bots can launch DDoS attacks and automate phishing scams. Moreover, AI can identify and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems, making targeted attacks more effective and harder to detect. Recent examples include a ransomware attack on a German hospital and the SolarWinds hack. As AI continues to be used in cyberattacks, individuals and organizations must take proactive measures to protect themselves, such as implementing robust security measures and investing in cybersecurity training. AI's potential use in disinformation campaigns is a major concern. Deepfakes, or manipulated videos and images, can be created using AI algorithms to spread false information and manipulate public opinion. AI can also generate convincing fake news stories that mimic the style and tone of real news. Disinformation campaigns using AI have been observed in many parts of the world, including during the 2016 US presidential election when Russian operatives used social media to spread false information and manipulate public opinion. The malicious use of AI in disinformation campaigns is a significant concern. AI-generated deepfakes and fake news can be used to spread false information and manipulate public opinion. Strategies to combat this include investing in AI-powered detection tools, improving media literacy, and promoting transparency and accountability in online communication. The use of AI in autonomous weapons is another area of concern. The ethical implications of using AI in weapons are significant. One of the main concerns is the lack of human control in decision-making, which can lead to unintended consequences and ethical dilemmas. The use of autonomous weapons raises questions about accountability, responsibility, and the right to life. AI can be used to create more efficient and deadly weapons. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify targets, predict their movements, and make split-second decisions. This can make weapons more accurate, faster, and more deadly. However, the use of AI in weapons also raises concerns about the potential for mistakes, accidents, and unintended consequences. Several countries are investing in AI-powered weapons. For example, the US military has been developing autonomous weapons for several years. In 2020, the US Army announced that it was testing an AI-powered targeting system that can automatically acquire and track targets. China is also investing heavily in AI-powered weapons, including drones, submarines, and missiles. In 2017, Russia announced the development of an autonomous tank that uses AI to identify and engage targets. The use of AI in autonomous weapons raises significant ethical questions. The lack of human control in decision-making can lead to unintended consequences, including civilian casualties and damage to infrastructure. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial for governments and international organizations to develop clear guidelines and regulations to ensure that the use of AI in weapons is ethical and in line with international humanitarian law. AI falling into the hands of rogue states or non-state actors poses significant risks to national security, public safety, and global stability. AI can be used to automate cyberattacks, develop autonomous weapons, and carry out acts of terrorism or sabotage. Governments and international organizations must develop guidelines and regulations to prevent the malicious use of AI by rogue states or non-state actors, including investing in AI-powered tools to detect and prevent attacks, improving cybersecurity measures, and promoting international cooperation. Regulating AI and preventing it from falling into the wrong hands is a significant challenge. The rapid pace of AI development and deployment, combined with the potential for malicious use, has created a need for increased regulation, accountability, and transparency. One of the main challenges of regulating AI is the complexity of the technology. AI algorithms can be opaque and difficult to understand, making it challenging to identify and mitigate potential risks. Additionally, the use of AI is often cross-cutting, meaning that it is used in many different sectors and industries, making it difficult to regulate in a coherent and effective way. This means ensuring that the impact of AI is monitored and evaluated, and that potential risks and harms are identified and addressed. This includes ensuring that AI is developed in an ethical and responsible way, with appropriate safeguards and oversight. Current efforts to regulate AI are underway. For example, in 2020, the European Union released a set of guidelines for the development and deployment of AI, focusing on issues such as transparency, accountability, and data protection. Similarly, in 2021, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission released a report outlining the potential risks of AI, as well as recommendations for how to mitigate these risks. There are also efforts to promote international cooperation on regulating AI. For example, the Global Partnership on AI, which includes countries such as Canada, France, and Germany, is working to promote responsible AI development and deployment, with a focus on issues such as transparency, fairness, and human rights. The potential dangers of AI in the wrong hands are significant, but efforts are in progress to address these issues. Regulating AI is complex, but increased accountability and transparency in its development and deployment are essential. To learn more about this topic, viewers can explore resources such as the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems, the Partnership on AI, or the AI Now Institute. By working together to address the potential risks and harms of AI, we can ensure that it is used responsibly and for the greater good. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and its potential impact on society.